Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be talking about the inefficiency of the conventional method in the official guide. The common errors in approaching DS questions according to the official guide. 1. Wasting time. To solve all DS problems by substituting for conditions 1 and 2, and then to try both at the same time takes too much time. 2. Wasting energy. To solve a problem by trying A, and then B, and then A and B, you must try each question 3 to 4 times. So effectively, this makes you solve 70 questions in addition to the PS questions. Consequently, a tremendous amount of energy is wasted. 3. Division of focus. To write a GMAT, you need to write the AWA and IR part for 1 hour, followed by 8 minutes of rest, and then 62 minutes for the math test, and 8 minutes of rest and verbal for 65 minutes. So, if you spend 90% of your brain capacity on math, you won't have much left for the verbal. Need to conserve your brain power. 4. Poor sense of confidence in the verbal section. If you don't do well in math section, then the following verbal section will be filled with regrets and lack of confidence, so the verbal score also falls. The approaches suggested by the official guide are very inefficient. About the official guide published by GMAT. 1. The official guide for GMAT review published by the GMAT. The GMAT official guide is published by the GMAT, Graduate Management Admission Council, which owns the GMAT. It is composed of 400 or more math questions or 400 or more verbal questions. Every year, the official guide is updated with around 15% of new, fresh questions while discarding some old questions. 2. The questions in the official guide. The official guide reflects on the new question trends accurately, both on its math and verbal questions. So, students should understand the question structures and expressions in the official guide. Also, the explanations are updated every year with new solving approaches. You should study the questions because the guide shows precisely the types of questions that appeared in recent exams. But don't read the solutions, for the DS questions are extremely inefficient. 3. The difficulty level. There are 4 main difficulty levels in the official guide: easy, medium, hard, very hard. Although some very hard questions appear on the guide, there are only a few of them. The difficulty level increases from easy to hard as the questions progress. This means students can experience all different difficulty levels and easily go to the level at which they are the most comfortable. Since some explanations are time-consuming and ineffective, try to focus only on the questions. Our lessons provide our own explanations for the questions found in the official guide. 4. About the quantitative review and verbal review. Every year, the GMAT separately publishes the official guide for GMAT quantitative review and verbal review. They also offer many great questions worth studying. However, if you cannot spare much time to prepare for the GMAT, it is sufficient to focus only on the official guide for GMAT review. Don't worry about the quantitative review and verbal review. You don't have to read them.